Hi friends and welcome to my jungle. Here I have a lot of greenery around me, but if sincerely I want to do the unboxing with you, I have bought an Amazon Basic trimmer and I want to show it how it works. It is an A3 rotary paper trimmer. And I also bought a Faber-Castell compass, and I wanted to share with you how it works. So really excited to see actually how it works because I haven't tried it. It is true that this Amazon paper trimmer I already tried and I really enjoyed it, but it will be interesting to do unboxing with you as well. For those of you who are for the first time on my channel, my name is Alla. I'm a sketch illustrator and watercolorist. From 2020, I'm an art teacher too, and here on YouTube channel you can find a lot of videos of how I'm painting, the painting process, and some reviews of some of the materials that I used to use during my work. So let's get started with this unboxing process. So we see an A3 rotary paper trimmer and it is from Amazon Basics. What I was doing, I was taking off this side, from this side, this part, that I can add this plastic, because when I first time tried this trimmer, I found out that it is not trimming well and didn't understand why, but I saw later this plastic that the plastic wasn't applied. And when you put the plastic, it also helped because it helped you to trimmer well the paper. And now, just simple like this, I will add paper and we will cut this paper. This trimmer I bought specifically for cutting up the paper from A4 size to A6 size, but I decided to buy a larger one, an A3 size, mainly because sometimes I buy a paper of watercolors and I buy a bigger size like an A2 or something like this, and later on I cut the paper and use smaller sizes. So very important that the knife itself I'm going to one side or to another. I took two papers, both papers are 200 GSM, because I wanted to show that even with two papers it is cutting pretty well. And I already know that the half of the paper it is more or less this side, and I'm just going with my knife and throw it. I advise to go with less pieces of paper. It cuts very well even bigger sizes, but even though I advise you to go with fewer papers, for example, like I did with 2, 3, I tried with 4 and it worked as well, but the difference is that you just have to push it harder. And you can see the lines are just perfect. And you can see that the work is not seen which side was cut. Yeah. This time I take only one piece of paper, and obviously you have to press over this plastic that we have here, and you can clearly see over here how it cuts. Lovely. If you look at this the trimmer, you can see that the size, the biggest size of the paper is an A3, but obviously you can cut an A4 size, an A5, and smaller sizes that are represented over here. I think that if you want to use this trimmer for example, for some smaller paintings like an A6, it works beautifully. I showed you with the white paper, but obviously if you want to cut some paintings or some printables, it will work exciting. And now let's try with one printable that I have, and I want to share how it cuts. So I have this printable of my painting, and as far as you see, the corners are not perfectly fit. So somewhere it is bigger the size, somewhere it is smaller, and I don't like it. And what I want to do is to remove this frame for the painting. So I add my painting straight on the line where the plastic finishes, and I press on it and I cut. So here we have, yeah, the same. I would make it a little bit bigger, so the plastic just should stay a little bit over there. And here we have, let's make once again here. This is beautiful. Okay. And my last line, my last frame. So that's it, the printable is ready. It looks amazing. I really like it. Many of you have probably seen, if you are watching me on my Instagram, that I really like neurographics, and as far as you see there, somewhere we are drawing circles in some neurographic painting drawings, and I wanted to have a compass for creating these circles. And let's see this Faber-Castell. I haven't tried it. When we are doing the unboxing, the circles that we can do are till 340 millimeters in diameter. So very, very nice. Okay, how it opens, I don't know. Like this. Good. I have here another filler with two graphic pencils, and as well some additional details. I don't know how to use it still, so I will take a look. And here you see already how it can work. Okay, here we use the circle to create how big it will be, this circle. And let's try drawing. Let's try this circle, how it shows the circle. So here it is. I really like it. The circle looks perfect. It is very comfortable to use. And look, when we move this circle here, we can make it bigger or we can make it smaller. And I also enjoy the fact that you can put your work here. And use it later. Let me know if you enjoyed the process of unboxing. If you have some of these things in your house, I will be happy to hear your thoughts. When I will be working more with these, I will let you know more details about. I hope you enjoyed this video of unboxing. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and obviously like this video. Thank you for watching. Until the next time. Bye!